Mental Health Association Oklahoma is the state's premier boots on the ground with the expertise and services at the intersection of homelessness and mental illness. Mental Health America is a national nonprofit that speaks out on behalf of people experiencing mental illness, and we are their Oklahoma chapter. Their executive director, Schroeder Stribling, spent the day with us, and we took her on a journey from homelessness to housing here in Oklahoma. We showed her what street outreach looks like from the very first contact with someone who might be living in a tent, in an encampment, taking her to the Lottie House, which is a peer-run drop-in center where people might take their first step indoors in years to get connected to services, to get an ID, to get a social security card, all the things you need to get a job, get back on your feet, and get into housing.
If it wasn't for the Lottie House, I would probably still be out on the streets.
We took her to see A Better Way, which is an alternative to panhandling. It's a program that pays people $65 a day for a hard day's work, and during their lunch break, we provide them lunch and discussions with a case manager to begin employment services, to move to self-sustainability and move to services and housing. And lastly, we got to share Ray's story. Ray experienced homelessness after losing a great job when he had a stroke and heart attack. He and his dog lived in their car when he could no longer make his vehicle payments, and he lost everything. We got connected with him, and we helped him get back on his feet and get into housing. If Mental Health Association Oklahoma stopped existing tomorrow, we would have immediately 3,000 people pushed back into homelessness across our state. In addition to that, we connect with over 30,000 Oklahomans a year to begin the journey from homelessness to housing, to provide mental health services, to provide support groups, to get people connected with employment. Without that bridge that Mental Health Association Oklahoma provides, I'm not sure there are Oklahomans who would make it back.